Why are thousands of teachers using Fish for classroom management? Well, according to educational research, teachers that have high-quality relationships with their students have 31% fewer discipline problems than teachers that do not. So we know that having actual relationships and connections with your students matters. Now, the Fish philosophy gives you a framework on how you can create these relationships and make your connections meaningful. It is easy to implement and it works really well. And you can start using this immediately in your classroom to assist you with controlling undesirable behaviors and rewarding best practice from your students. I'm Danielle Peters, the Director of Fun at the Training Store, and this is Pete the Perch. We deliver training programs that inspire schools to create positive learning environments. This training program has been implemented in over 9,000 schools. So let me ask you, what kind of classroom do you want to come to every day? Fish for Teachers has combined highlights from the world-famous Fish philosophy film with video testimonials from educators who actually experienced Fish and are using it in their classroom, and they're sharing this way of being with their students. It's an online course, and in this course you're going to hear how all these results were achieved. And you'll also hear from industry professionals that we can all relate to on how they practice Fish daily. You'll learn from teachers, administrators, principals, and students to hear why they love Fish. This content has been designed to help you reflect personally on how you want to show up for others. It'll also help you with forging more effective relationships with your students and colleagues. It'll help you to nurture a joyful and productive learning environment, to return that joy into routine, activities, help you be more accountable for your actions while being aware of your impact, and it can create an atmosphere of mutual trust and emotional safety. Take up the challenge to create connections like never before. Remember the reason why you became an educator in the first place. Click the link to take your first step on your journey to becoming Fish certified. Learn how you can choose to make 2020 your best year of teaching ever. You and your students deserve it. Happy fishing!